Hello, everyone. Welcome to our special video today, where we join our friend Jenny on her happy day. If you're just starting to learn English or simply want to enjoy a heartwarming story, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of Jenny's happy day.
Listen carefully.
Meet Jenny, a cheerful young girl who loves her simple and happy daily routine. Let's step into Jenny's world and discover the joy in her everyday activities. Part 1: Wake-up time. Every morning, Jenny wakes up at 7 a.m. with a big stretch. The sun is shining, and she's ready to start her happy day. Part 2: Morning brush. Jenny heads to the bathroom to brush her teeth. She loves keeping her teeth clean and shiny. It's a quick and easy way to start the day feeling fresh. Part 3: Getting dressed with smiles. After her morning brush, Jenny picks out a colorful outfit for the day. Choosing clothes is like picking colors for a happy painting. She believes that what you wear can set the tone for the entire day. Part 4: Breakfast delight. Downstairs, Jenny's mom has made a yummy breakfast. Jenny enjoys eating her favorite pancakes with jam and milk, filling her tummy with happy energy. Part 5: Going to school. Jenny hops on the school bus with her friends. The journey to school is like a little adventure every day. The journey is an opportunity for her to soak in the beauty around her. Part 6: Learning fun. At school, Jenny learns and plays with her friends. Every lesson is a chance to discover something new and exciting. As she dives into her studies, Jenny's study hours become a symphony of learning and growing. Engaging in her daily academic tasks, she focuses on completing them efficiently, laying the foundation for her bright future. Part 7: Lunchtime Laughter. During lunch break, Jenny sits with her friends, sharing laughs and stories. It's a time to enjoy a delicious meal together. Part 8: Afternoon play. In the afternoon, Jenny and her friends have fun activities. They draw, play games, and make little crafts. Every moment is filled with laughter. Part 9: Home Sweet Home. When the school day ends, Jenny returns home. It's a cozy and comforting place, filled with love from her family and playful moments with her pets. Part 10: Playful Exercise. After homework, Jenny goes outside to play. She runs, jumps, and dances, keeping her body happy and healthy. Part 11: Dinner happiness. Dinner is a time for Jenny's family to come together. Jenny loves spending time with her sisters. They share stories about their day and enjoy a delicious meal. Every bite is a taste of happiness. Part 12: Evening relaxation. After dinner, Jenny relaxes by watching cartoons on TV. It's a time to unwind and enjoy the funny stories on the screen. Part 13: Bedtime stories. Jenny prepares for bed by dimming the lights and turning off electronic devices. The words paint pictures in her mind. And she drifts off to sleep. With happy dreams. The world outside. Her window quiets down. And she nestles into her cozy haven.
And that wraps up our journey through Jenny's happy day. I hope you enjoyed exploring her simple and cheerful routine with us. Learning English can be fun, especially when we incorporate it into everyday activities. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content. And hit the bell for notifications. Stay tuned for more adventures and language learning fun. Until next time, happy learning.